The multifunction table embodies versatile work with an integrated system. The outer edge of the table facilitates clamping and securing of materials, joining tables, or when set up with the guide rail system, material processing. Workpieces can be secured firmly for precision work, and the combination of angle protractor and flag stop allow repetitive cuts to be made quickly and easily. The perforated top gives flexibility to attach clamps in the most suitable spot to securely clamp workpieces, a feature that's vitally important for safe and accurate work.